Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Jim, your RV specialist. So I'm looking at a Forest River Rockwood mini Lite, and let's see if I can record what model this guy is. This is just another one of the what's in the shops. And so this is a 2509S bunkhouse. So what's going on with it, you said, Jim?
It's here for a lot of different items. One of them's a heater service.
Oh, water heater service? Oh yeah, I can see all the settlement
fine on the propane.
that washed out on the ground.
That was bad. Runs fine on gas. Will not heat on 110, so we need to do some further diagnosis.
Possibly heating element?
To the
heating element?
The heating element, thank you. So that needs to be further diagnosed. In doing the bearing pack, I found 4 different pitted bearing races on different wheels.
Oh wow.
So we need new bearings. Also, he's got grease contamination on the brake magnets, and once it gets inside that material, it doesn't want to come out. So I'm just recommending we do brakes and bearings and drums on this.
Okay. So he's also got torsion axles on here too.
He does.
So the other side's a lot more greasier than this side?
And then he's got bad batteries.
Oh, okay.
He's done a really good job with his batteries. Look at this.
Yeah.
The customers kept them very clean.
Oh yeah.
You don't see that very often.
Yeah, and protected. The only thing I'd always like to see is
completely dry.
Is better connections on the batteries instead of those just standard. You know, when people use like open end ones and they're not sealed, that's when they get corroded. But at least he's using the battery protector on there.
Yep.
So that's good. But they're completely dry.
Oh yeah, they're dry as well.
Yeah. So just remember, if you guys are seeing this or any other videos that we do, like batteries is a huge one. People come in here all the time and things are not working or in-op or sluggish or acting funny. Batteries, you know, if you've got a wet cell battery like that one, you gotta check the water level in them. It depends on the time of the year. So if it's too hot outside, the water will dissipate faster. If it's cooler, you can do it longer, but every like 2 to 3 to 4 months, check the water level in the batteries and top them off as needed.
Let me show you something.
Yeah.
So in doing the exterior eval, I noticed signs of this back wall moving around, which is really uncommon with these.
Oh, I see where the grease and stuff was thrown around on the brakes. Yep. There was another one
that's not much, but it is impregnated in the magnet.
Yeah. Oh, I see it built up all on the magnet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you saw all the wheel seals were blown.
Yeah.
All the wheel seals were blown because he over-greased them. He just kept pumping them full of grease.
Oh, shoot. Yeah. It's common. We see it.
Wall, Dustin,
yeah.
when I was doing the eval, I noticed this. This mark here.
Oh, yeah.
And this mark here.
Yeah, it split it, shifted.
Yep. And then a crack here.
Yeah.
And
oh, yeah.
this is indented here and on both sides.
So the back wall itself is broken loose and probably.
Come loose. You can see it crack a little bit. I got it on jack.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see it. So the back wall is broken loose and doing the side-to-side shifting. So that's a good catch. Yeah, so it's just been sitting there walking back and forth, hitting both this side and the opposite side. I was trying not to get the license plate in it, but yeah, no. Well, we'll have to see if Terry can take a look at that and see what's going on, or if he wants to, probably have to pull that J metal off and see if something broke loose that's vertically attached, or if there's something up underneath that broke loose.
Yeah, he was talking about pulling the insert molding and running some screws just off the top of his head.
Yeah.
That's normally what he does, but he'll need to get into it.
Yeah, it could even be from, you know, what happens a lot of times is, folks, is if you're watching this, the box moves side to side and then it goes in and out of driveways and it does this little cattywampus shake. Well, when it does that, it can break off all the screws in the rails underneath the insert moldings. Usually we'll see some kind of tattletales of like the molding coming loose, which this one, you can see where it's up here tight. And as it comes down further and further and further, it's spread out away from it. So that it could just be something simple as that, just adding additional screws that are broken, or it could be something from underneath that's broken loose. So, all right, well, hey, thanks everybody for watching. Again, this is Jim and Dustin, and I'm over here on the other side. I don't know if that was gonna look weird or not in the video, but we're just running around the shop, seeing what's going on and taking a look at, you know, updating on the guys, and this is for our customers so they can see progress and things that we're doing, and, you know, things that we're showing you, that way it can help you keep in, you know, memory for, you know, 12 months, 12,000 miles on the wheel bearings, making sure they're getting properly checked. You know, some places you take it to would just blast through it and they don't catch the pitting or the scoring or a bad roller or bad bearing or cage failure or whatever, they won't recommend change the brakes if they're kind of, you know, not good or not. And then same thing, batteries and whatnot, catching the rear wall. I'm sure there's a bunch of other stuff we found on it too. You know, because we do each coach that comes in, we do a free exterior evaluation on them. So we're looking to see if they got the bug screens in on the appliances, if there's any awnings or anything that's coming loose. Like this one, you can see all the putty and stuff that's bled out underneath that molding. Well, when that happens, now that molding's not secured up against the wall and it will start to walk and come loose and can damage the molding of the roof line and the sealants that's on top of that roof line. So, all right, well, thanks so much for watching and stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, your RV specialist.